paragraph 17 of your affidavit. Paragraph 17 po. Page 3. Paragraph 17. Now, you mentioned about the conversation between General Bato and Espinido. Gamit ang cellphone niya para tanungin siya tungkol sa CCTV footage ng Zilan Hotel sa Albuera, Leyte. Do you have direct knowledge or any knowledge about this CCTV footage?
Sa panahon na yun, meron kasi kasama ako ng daddy ko na nag-abot ng pera kay Sir Marcos.
So yung CCTV na to, na footage, is all about the footage that was taken in that hotel when you give the money to Colonel Marcos.
I'm not the one who give the money, but ang papa ko ang nagbigay, nag-on hand sa kanya.
Okay. And Mr. Chairman, just to put on record that we need to again invite Colonel Espinido with regards to this CCTV footage doon sa Zilan Hotel in which the allegation of Kerwin Espinosa is with regards to the money being handed to Colonel Marcos from his father. Tama?
Yes po.
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, now, Mr. Chairman, can we request the Comsec to invite in the next hearing Colonel Espinido? Kailangan niya pong sagutin to. Next.
Comsec, can you take note of the request of Congressman Paduano to invite Colonel Espinido?
Next. Doon po sa page 3, paragraph 16 to 20. This is all about the conversation between you, between Bato, De La Rosa, and Espinido, and at the same time, yung pag-uusap nyo ni former General Bato de la Rosa, now Senator Bato de la Rosa, you mentioned that during the conversation, your mother is present. Can you confirm it?
Yes po. Nandun po yung mama ko.
Narinig ba
At,
ng...
hindi lang po ang mama ko, pati yung kapatid ko na isa.
Who is the name of your brother, sister?
Sister.
Sister, is the...
Mariel Espinosa.
Maria Espinosa.
Salepa Eslabon Espinosa.
Narinig po ba nila yung pinag-uusapan?
Opo.
Sigurado ka?
Sigurado ako kasi nasa higa. Hindi, dito ako halimbawa, dito ako nakapwesto. Hinggaan ko ay dyan lang sa first na upuan.
So, ang kausap mo noon, si General Bato de la Rosa.
Opo.
Ang pinag-usapan niyo tungkol doon sa
CCTV at sa plano na idawit ang pangalan ni Peter Lim at ni Laila de Lima at yung kay Dayan na i-align yung mga date at lugar na babanggitin sa Senado.
saan ngayon yung kapatid mo at saka nanay mo?
Nasa probinsya po, Mr. Chair.
Sa Albuera.
Albuera.
Sa bahay niyo.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, with that, may we request that we invite in the next hearing the mother of Kerwin Espinosa and his sister. No? And still you use him as a deponent because you have something planned, a different plan for Mayor Espinosa. Oh,
Mr. Chair, clarification, Mr. Chair.
yes.
This, regarding this issue, Mr. Chair, yes.
Okay.
I'd like to ask in layman's terms, Mr. Chair. Dahil yung police gusto nilang gawin yung trabaho nila, na makakuha sila ng search warrant, kasalanan ba nila na yung judge ang mag-issue ng search warrant? Now, if there is a jurisprudence from the Supreme Court, bakit nag-issue ang judge?
Hindi, yun na nga eh. Ang point dito is, deponent per se should have a direct knowledge. And of course, may problema ang judge. But at the same time, may problema kayo mga police. Alam mo bakit? Because you're forcing it to have a deponent without direct knowledge and you talk to the judge in which ang judge ito may problema din, then you operate not on the reason of the items supposedly under the search warrant. Yun ang malinaw eh. Namatay si Egay Alvarez. Eh, hindi ko sinasabi na he's not a drug lord. When in fact, ako alam ko, he's a drug lord. Pati source niya, pati yung namatay doon sa Bicol. But of course, it's a different thing. It's a different story. We're talking about extrajudicial killing here. And hindi to simpleng coincidence. Hindi simpleng coincidence. Kasi dalawang jail sa Leyte ang nangyari, you serve a search warrant and the result is namatay yung mga allegedly drug lords or narcotics, narco drugs, politicians. Yun pong totoo. Di ba? Eh, ang sinasabi ko, I am not defending the drug pushers, the drug lords. What I'm saying is, you're violating the law. Because you have a different purpose in getting the search warrant. Yun ang malinaw. And history is telling us now, it never happens na lumabas ang katotohanan during the previous administration because that is part of the drug war. Yun ang malinaw. Chairman ako?
Congressman Paduano, kindly wrap up.
Chairman ako, I thought you even... Anyway. Now, Colonel Marcos, you produced the deponent. The names of the deponent.
I will call Major Laraga, sir. After this, tatawagan ko kagad.
Ayun, si General Torre. At the same time, the deponent doon sa sa bahay ni Espinosa.
Opo, sir. Tatanong ko po kay Major Laraga agad.
General Torre, kindly check. Please.
Yes, sir. I'm already talking to the regional chief, sir. We are asking for the deponent and the applicant, sir.
And you produce, Attorney Colonel Marcos, the names of that lawyers within the day.
Yes,
If you
sir.
cannot produce those name of lawyers,
Yes, sir. I
will
will,
be forced to cite you in contempt.
I will call my colleague, sir, para makakuha ko yung pangalan.
Now, you're saying about the involvement of the jail guards, di ba? Kaya kumuha kayo ng search warrant doon sa kabila, sa Samar, instead of getting it in Leyte.
Yes, sir.
O now, dahil, ba't doon kayo kumuha ng search warrant? Why?
Sa Samar, sir.
Yeah. Ba't doon sa Samar, not in Leyte?
Ganito po, yan, sir. Si Major Laraga po, yung provincial officer ko, DR po the operating arm of different provinces. Pumunta po sa akin, sir, mag-apply po ko ng search warrant. Sinong applyan mo? Ito, sir, may input tayo ganito. O sige, i-apply mo ng search warrant. Kung i-approve ka ng judge, implement natin. Ngayon, sir, hindi man po lahat ng search warrant na ina-apply ng CIDG or ng provincial offices, sina-approve ng judge. Marami din pong dinideny. Ngayon, nataon, sir, si Major Laraga, pag-apply niyan, na-approve, in-implement po namin, sir.
Eh then, hindi pa sinasagot yung tanong ko eh. Why not in Leyte? Why in Samar?
Sa rin yun, sir, sa tinanong ko kay Major Laraga, bakit sa Samar ka mag-apply? Sabi niya, sir, pag dito ako, sir, nag-apply sa baybay o dito sa malapit sa atin, yung mga empleyado dito, mag-interconnected yan. Mamaya, matawagan, sir, na may warrant tayong isi-serve. Yun ang binigay niyang reason sa akin.
Eh, ano yan? Teorya niyo yan. Kaya presumption niyo. Diba?
Kamsyo po ni Major Laraga, sir.
Hindi, pati kayo. Siyempre, nag-report na nga sa CEO. Pinayagan mo kahit na doon sa kabila.
Yes, sir.
Oh, di ba?
Natuloy ako sa kanya, sir.
But a while ago, you're talking about the collusion between the alleged drug lord and the jail guards. Di ba? Sinabi mo yun?
Sir, that is also based on the intel report submitted by Major Laraga.
Major Laraga?
Yes, sir. Leo Laraga, sir.
Siya yung siya yung na-demote.
Oh, sir. Bali from na-demote yan, sir.
Because of?
Under appeal sila sa NAPOLCOM.
Hindi,
Because of
because
the
of?
administrative charge, sir, pertaining to the Espinosa case.
Okay. Now, ganito yun kasi, Colonel eh. Kasi, if you have strong evidence or data, no evidence, with regards to collusion between jail guards and the drug lords, did you file a case against those jail guards?
Hindi po, sir, nag-file si Major. Hindi kami nag-file, sir.
O bakit hindi kayo nag-file? Kasi, di ba, kaya nyo kinuha yung search warrant sa Samar, not in Leyte because you believe that there is collusion between drug lords and the jail guards. So why didn't you file a case against the jail guards?
Sometimes kasi, sir, intel reports doesn't stand in court. Hindi po tatayo sa korte ang intel report, sir.
Yun yung problema eh.
Kaya hindi wrap up,
Anyway,
Congressman.
anyway, hindi pa ako tapos sana.
No, you will have your time.
Anyway.
After this round, we will have another round because we still have another resource person that we will have to present before this committee. And then, I will guarantee you that you will be the next interpellator in the first round of that particular resource person.
Mr. Chairman, magkakasunod-sunod kasi ito, baka malaman pa ni Colonel Marcos. I will just hold my questions, Mr. Chairman. But again, I just want to manifest once again that Colonel Marcos should submit to this committee the names because before this hearing ends, in today's hearing, because I have to talk to that lawyer. Nandito naman po yung AMLA.
Okay.
Then, yung question of the names that we asked about the deponent.
Sir, I will call Major
And then,
Lara.
nandun si General Torre din is now communicating, I think, he's now communicating with Major Lara. May mga tanong pa ako doon, marami pa po. Now, last din lang pala, Mr. Chairman, can I ask the, baka makalimutan ko, can I ask the DOJ, what are
Mr.
those,
Chair.
what are those reason or requirements, legal requirements that the case of Igay Alvarez, in the case of in which and the case of Mayor Alvera, in which police officers are involved in the death of those allegedly detained drug lords. What are the reason, the basis or reasons for it to be reopened?
I'm very again, Mr. Chair, I'm here actually for the Pogo related issue, so I'm not very familiar with their cases, sir. I'm just a while ago I was answering on the questions regarding this particular incident based on the decision of the Supreme Court that I just read, but as of now, I'm still. I'd like to refer back to our main office so that we could inquire upon it.
Please.
Yes, sir.
Now, can I get the opinion na lang last na Mr. Chairman? Can I get the opinion of our dear colleagues, former colleague, which is also a top-notch lawyer, may kababayan in Bacolod, Congressman Nery Colmenares, with regards to possible reopening of cases, no? Of the case with doon sa kay Egal Alvarez, and the same kasi namatay doon sa loob ng jail. And I do believe that may problema po sa process. And I also do believe that the purpose of that trade, no, and the search warrant is not to get what is what is in the search warrant, but the life of the two PDLs.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Yes, there is always the possibility of opening up these cases, Mr. Chair. Secondly, the issue of the search warrant factories had been an issue. That's why the Supreme Court was even forced later on to say na hindi pwede yun. You're using, because many people died because of these search warrants issued by Metro Manila judges, Mr. Chair. So, in cases such as this, misuse of the legal processes of the law or heinous crimes like crimes against humanity, for example, Mr. Chair, this can always be opened anytime, Mr. Chair, especially